Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step by step how you can easily increase your text size on your Amazon Kindle Paperwhite or whatever Amazon Kindle you have. Now if you're new here and this video is going to be helpful, definitely write down below in the comments that it helped you, so when other people would come here they would know that okay, this video is legit. So what you want to do is go to top and click on this like empty space here. What will happen, the options will show up, and here you want to press on this like the AA here. Do you see that? So I'm just going to press it. Now when you're going to press it, here you're going to find themes, and then you're going to find the font. And here you're going to have the size. So I can easily increase the size right here. And as you see, while I'm increasing the size, the text is changing. Also, you can click here on a theme. So if you don't want to go through fonts, you can do it right here, and you can just have a large here, and then everything is going to be large or compact or standard. So that's how we're gonna increase the text size on Amazon Kindle. Now if you can have any questions guys, let me down below in the comments. Would happy to help you, and you can like this video too if it was helpful. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.